Hi everyone, this is Adam from the Automotive Channel. Buckle up, because today I'm going to talk about car brands that shock the owner. The Chery Tiggo 72025 is more than a hard-working SUV. It's a weekend warrior built to take you on far-out adventures that leave you with unforgettable memories. Today we will find out the pros and cons of this car. Do not forget to watch the video to the end and subscribe to the channel. So if you're ready, let's get started. What if you could drive a car that combines the sleek design of a luxury SUV, the smart features of tomorrow's technology, and the practicality of an everyday vehicle, all at a price that doesn't empty your wallet? That's exactly what the 2025 Chery Tiggo 7 offers. This next-generation compact SUV isn't just built for the road, it's built for your lifestyle. With its bold new exterior, sharp LED lighting, and confident stance, the Tiggo 7 makes a statement before it even moves. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a tech-savvy cabin featuring a large touchscreen infotainment system, digital instrument cluster, and premium finishes typically found in vehicles twice the price. But the Tiggo 7 is more than just looks. It packs a fuel-efficient 1.5-liter turbocharged engine, advanced safety systems like blind spot monitoring and lane keep assist, and versatile space, perfect for family, work, or weekend getaways. Whether you're cruising through city traffic or embarking on a long road trip, this SUV delivers a smooth, responsive ride. It's a car that checks all the boxes: comfort, performance, safety, and value. In a world where prices are rising but expectations remain high, the 2025 Chery Tiggo 7 is proof you can still get everything without giving up anything. Exterior design, modern aesthetics. The 2025 Chery Tiggo 7 arrives with a refreshed and modern exterior that immediately sets it apart in the compact SUV segment. Designed to capture attention, the Tiggo 7 features a bold front fascia, highlighted by a wide hexagonal grille with striking chrome accents. Flanking the grille are sleek, sharp LED headlights and integrated daytime running lights that not only enhance visibility, but add a futuristic flair. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic body lines give the SUV a dynamic and athletic stance, hinting at the performance beneath the surface. From the side, the silhouette remains balanced and stylish with smooth contours and a slightly sloped roofline, while the chrome window trim and 17-inch alloy wheels elevate its premium look. At the rear, LED taillights stretch across the tailgate, connected by a light bar for a more unified and upscale design. A sporty rear spoiler and dual exhaust tips give the Tiggo 7 a confident, aggressive finish. Available in a variety of colors including metallic red, black, silver, and deep blue, it offers personality to match the driver's taste. Overall, the exterior of the 2025 Chery Tiggo 7 masterfully blends elegance with an edge, delivering curb appeal that turns heads in any setting. Interior comfort, spacious and tech-savvy. Step inside the 2025 Chery Tiggo 7, and you're welcomed into a cabin that feels more premium than its price suggests. The interior is designed with a strong focus on comfort, space, and technology, making it ideal for both daily commutes and long road trips. Soft-touch materials, stitched leather-like surfaces, and chrome accents create a refined and relaxing environment. The ergonomically designed seats offer excellent support, with the front seats being both heated and ventilated in higher trims, enhancing comfort in any weather. The Tiggo 7 comfortably accommodates 5 passengers, with generous leg room and headroom in both the front and rear. A large panoramic sunroof adds a sense of openness, flooding the cabin with natural light. At the heart of the dashboard is a crisp 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system paired with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, delivering a seamless digital experience. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing for easy smartphone integration. Additional tech features include a wireless charging pad, voice control, and multiple USB ports for passengers. Dual-zone automatic climate control keeps everyone comfortable, while cleverly placed storage compartments and a spacious cargo area make the Tiggo 7 as practical as it is stylish. Performance: efficient and responsive. Under the hood, the Tiggo 7 is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, delivering 147 horsepower and 210 newton-meters of torque. This engine is paired with either a 6-speed automatic or a CVT transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive driving dynamics. With a fuel efficiency of approximately 13 to 15 kilometers per liter and a 51-liter fuel tank, the Tiggo 7 is designed for both city commutes and long-distance journeys. Its top speed of 185 kilometers per hour ensures that performance is never compromised. Safety: advanced protection. Safety is paramount in the Tiggo 7, which comes equipped with a suite of advanced features. These include autonomous emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. The vehicle also boasts a 5-star ANCAP safety rating, reflecting its commitment to occupant protection. Additional safety measures include multiple airbags, a 360-degree camera system, and electronic stability control, providing peace of mind for both drivers and passengers. Technology: innovation at your fingertips. The Tiggo 7 is a tech-forward vehicle, offering features that enhance convenience and connectivity. The infotainment system supports voice commands, allowing for hands-free operation. A wireless charging pad ensures your devices remain powered throughout your journey. The vehicle also includes a panoramic sunroof, dual-zone climate control, and ambient lighting, creating a comfortable and enjoyable driving environment. Practicality designed for everyday life. The 2025 Chery Tiggo 7 is built with real life in mind, combining everyday practicality with smart functionality that suits both city living and weekend adventures. From school runs and grocery trips to long-distance getaways, this compact SUV offers the space and flexibility modern drivers need. It boasts a generous cargo area with 475 liters of boot space, expandable to over 1,500 liters with the rear seats folded down. This makes it easy to transport luggage, sports gear, or even a week's worth of shopping with room to spare. Inside, the cabin is filled with thoughtful features like multiple storage compartments, cup holders, and rear seat pockets, perfect for stowing away daily essentials. The 60/40 split folding rear seats allow you to balance passenger comfort with cargo needs effortlessly. Keyless entry and push button start to add a touch of convenience to your daily routine, while the electric tailgate on higher trims makes loading and unloading hassle-free. Plus, the elevated driving position offers great visibility, making it easier to navigate tight parking spots and traffic. Whether you're a solo commuter, part of a growing family, or someone who loves spontaneous road trips, the Chery Tiggo 7 adapts to your lifestyle with practical, user-friendly design. Pricing and value: affordable luxury. The 2025 Chery Tiggo 7 offers exceptional value, with prices ranging from 82,500 to 87,500 Emirati dirhams, depending on the variant. This competitive pricing, combined with its array of premium features, positions the Tiggo 7 as a compelling choice in the compact SUV segment. The 2025 Chery Tiggo 7 stands as a testament to what modern SUVs can offer: style, performance, safety, and technology, all at an accessible price point. It's more than just a vehicle. It's a partner for your daily adventures. Thank you for exploring the 2025 Chery Tiggo 7 with us. If you're interested in experiencing this remarkable SUV firsthand, visit your nearest Chery dealership today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more automotive insights. Thanks you for joining us for another video. We'll see you next time when we sample the next automotive delicacy. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and share buttons. I know it's a chore, but it helps the channel a lot. Until next time, drive safely.